Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today morning, the 12th of February 2022, flagged off the 6 specialized mobile vaccination units at Tura Civil Hospital. Extra Assistant Commissioner of West Garo Hills District, Dolrich B.G. Momin, Chairman of Tura Municipal Board, J.D. Sangma, District Medical and Health Officer of West Garo Hills Tura, Dr. Marvin R. Sangma, and District Maternal Child Health Officer of Tura, Dr. Yvonne M. Sangma, were among others present at the function. It may be mentioned that the government of Meghalaya has partnered with the U.S. Agency for International Development for launching of mobile vaccination initiative to administer vaccines to underserved and marginalized communities who have limited access to vaccination centers and hard to reach areas. This initiative is hoped to create awareness followed by vaccinating hard to reach tribal and rural populations by taking doctor-based mobile vaccination clinics to the communities. It may also be mentioned that the COVID-19 pandemic had a monumental impact in India and across the globe where people had lost their livelihoods and much more. Hence, it is why vaccination is one of the most important ways to mitigate the impact of the pandemic and save millions of lives in future.